Welcome to Pipster channel. In this video we will unbox an air humidifier. Your home should be a place where you can recover from a stressful day or treat an illness. A humidifier can play a significant part in making you feel better or in maintaining your good health. And they are so varied in their effects in addition to being easy to use. Humidifier adds moisture to the air to prevent dryness that can cause irritation in many parts of the body. Humidifiers can be particularly effective for treating dryness of the skin, nose, throat, and lips. They can also ease some of the symptoms caused by the flu or common cold. Cold and flu symptoms may be alleviated. If you do get the flu or a cold, using a humidifier while you sleep may help you recover faster. In addition to loosening congestion, it may help lubricate your nasal passages, allowing you to breathe a lot easier. You may want to try a humidifier if your indoor air is dry. Dry air occurs often in the winter months when the heat is on. Adding moisture to the air with the help of a humidifier can relieve cold and allergy symptoms and even nosebleeds and dry skin. Without further ado, let's begin.
If you like this video, please give a thumbs up and hit the bell to notify you for more upcoming videos. Thanks for watching.